Welcome to my Sunday frump. This is my little make dinner with me, and this is berbere that I recently purchased. It was special purchase because I just like to have all my spices on hand, and so this was one of the last things that I wanted. And so anyways, it says it's Ethiopian 12 spice blend. So it has all the flavors, because it was gonna be an African dinner. So I was gonna have jollof rice, a little crepe, and some chickpeas with sausages. So I was using Bisquick mix for the little flatbread bread that I was making, and I just went ahead and poured that in a bowl with some water and garbanzo bean juice. You know, the water from the can of garbanzo beans. And I deep fried it in oil. I decided to make a comfort meal today, something home style cooked. And I didn't want to try anything new. I usually don't try anything new at home. If I try something new, I usually like it anyway. But just something that I'm used to ingredients that I'm used to using, things that I'm used to cooking, and the ways that I'm used to, the methods that I'm used to using when I'm making dinner or any meal. And so here I'm stirring up the water in the Bisquick mix and trying to make it as thin as possible so that way it'll come out, like a crepe, like a flatbread piece. And so I'm adding the chickpea water just to thicken it a little bit, and that way it'll have a consistency, the bite that you want. It won't just be like a little pancake. It'll be like an actual piece of bread, something that you can pick up food with. So that's why I was adding the chickpea juice to it. And here I'm just stirring it to make it, to get the lumps out, to get, the consistency, like pancake batter. That way it'll fry up easy and I won't have trouble cooking it. So I'm trying to warm the pan at the same time I'm mixing it and trying to work as fast as possible. And here you can see the smooth batter. The more I mix it, the smoother it gets. And I just poured it right into the oil, but the oil wasn't that warm, so I had trouble at first with it, and it ended up being way smaller and way thicker than I anticipated because I had to flip it, it folded over itself. But this was fine. It tasted the same, guys. You get a little bump in the road and you get discouraged, but this is fine. You just got to keep going. You don't want to waste food, and just trust your own method, trust your instincts, because if you keep working with it, it will eventually end up into something edible, even though you don't know your own powers. You got the wisdom in you. So here I'm getting the rest of the chickpea water from the can, and I'm adding some onions. They're dehydrated onions, and I'm adding them to the bowl, and I'm going to microwave them for about 30 seconds to get them back hydrated. And so that's why I'm adding them into the bowl, because the chickpeas and the rice call for onion, and I'm trying to get enough onions for both dishes. So into the microwave they go. The more I mess with it, the more smaller it gets. I need some of these onions. Kind of drain a little bit. tomatoes in there. That's good. You can see, just gonna mix it up. And let's see. This piece of bread is crispy. Now okay. I'm gonna drain this and I'll be back. I have this Cayenne powder. I'm gonna add just a bit. That's good. Oh, it looks like a lot. And some Bayleaf powder. Let's check on this bread here. This bread is done. Well, I guess you can try everything once, right? I'm gonna put that to the side. This Creole in it. And I'll put the rice in there. I'll put the rice in there. And that looks good. I'm gonna give that a stir. I'm gonna put some garlic and black pepper in there. Oh, I accidentally finished. So I'm going to add this Creole seasoning. Mix. Get my rice in it. And then I'll add water. And I'll add this garlic butter. Some garlic and pepper. And I'll add some of this. I'm gonna put these garbanzo beans in the pan. And then I'm gonna add a bit of this 5-spice powder, just like that. I'm gonna add my garlic, my pepper, my garlic butter, some Cajun seasonings. That's what it looks like. So I hope it's not hot. And then the rest of this, and we'll give it a stir. I'm gonna add some of this red pepper flakes. That's good. Rice is coming out. Let's see. Oh, I don't even have it on. Let me turn this all the way up because I'm missing out. And let's see what it looks like anyway. This is what it's coming out to look like. Alright. Cover it. And these chickpeas look really yummy. Dog's back in. Like, why waste them? There's gravy, you know what I mean? Like, it's gonna be more flavor. So I'll let those cook until the chickpeas are done. It's, chicken bouillon. I'm gonna put some into the rice. I always put like bouillon in there, like, so I'm just gonna put about 2 spoonfuls and just give it a mix. Cook. Here we have my rice, my jollof rice, and my my chickpeas and sausages, and my piece of bread that I tried making, and we're gonna give it a taste. So here goes nothing. So I'll just try plain, just chickpeas and rice. Like that. Mmm. Mmm. Oh my goodness, this is so good, guys. Like, I'm not even joking. Like, this is so, oh my gosh, this is so good. Look at this. All those flavors, I can't even like explain to you. Like, all the flavors, all the other different spices, like, it just makes such an impact on this dish. I don't know how else to tell you. It kind of tastes like a curry would. It kind of tastes like maybe Indian takeout, but definitely, you know, this is African food, and it's really hitting like all the levels. Like, it's a 10 out of 10, guys. Like, this is so good. Like, all the spice in the rice, it's like not even a big deal. Like, let me try this sausage. Perfectly cooked sausage. It's so good. It's just Vienna sausage, but like the flavor, it made it taste like, you know, like almost like barbecue. So good. This is what I grew up eating. This is it right here. This bitty spices. Yeah, I like it a lot. I think I'm gonna use it more often. I don't know what I did to the rice. It's so spicy. But thank you guys for watching. Thank you for joining me. My it's more like a vlog to me, but you know, I just want to try everything that I can do just to recreate things that I love. And I hope you guys join me again on my next adventure. Thank you for watching my son de front. See you guys again soon. Goodbye.